we have seen the Sadhguru in the screen, then he is just talking about that what we are also doing the same, and the same kind of work. Then I was so emotionally, I literally cried, because that the kind of words come from him, then it's energized to us to go further and do a bigger impact.
There's so much learning and so much to take, and it all focuses on our inner transformation. If we can't work on ourselves, if we don't work on ourselves, we can't help others.
Not only that, again, during the peak of the pandemic, we used Samimar, which is one of the highest retreats that happens here. We studied those participants. We collected blood before and after in over 100 people. And we saw that the ability to fight COVID pandemic was way high in those who did this retreat. One of the things that keeps repeatedly coming up, not just in our research, in anyone else's research, is inflammation. Protects against inflammation, protects against disease states. And the other thing is whatever the pro-inflammation actually comes down. Compare it with controls who didn't do any practices, your inflammation markers are 1/3 of those, even though they don't have any disease.
And I got to know that I might not be able to see him physically. Somehow I was in two minds, but when I got a call from you and you explained me how it can change my overall world, it got me very intrigued, and that is what made me come here. To keep it very simple, it has actually changed my world after spending 2.5-3 days here.